down there. A bumblebee and a cicada.
Come here. It's cool.
No.
Why? Man, that's cool.
Whether they are fighting or mating. Oh, am I recording? Yes, I am recording. Whether they're fighting or mating, I really feel sorry for that cicada.
Yeah, I think they're fighting. But I know which one is winning. The bee is winning. No, I'm watching.
Okay, so evidently the cicada is dead. Let's see, where, right there they are. Okay, yeah. Right there. The yellow jacket is now eating the cicada, so evidently they were not mating. Ah, crap, it's flying.